Samidoh's wife Edday Nderitu nĩacanjamũrĩte mafans ake mũno, na ũũ nĩ thutha wake gũkorwo akĩrekereria ciugo cia wendo kũrĩ mwendwa wake Samidoh, na oho arakorwo akiumbũra ndeto cia magegania mũno. Na Edday arambirie na gũcokeria ngatho Bunny Saroni ũrĩa ũrakoretwo akĩmanage na gũpromote tour ya Samidoh in America, akĩmwĩra nĩ ngatho mũno for safely taking care of her husband mwena wa America for those 2 months that he has been away, for the 2 months that he has been touring America on his Mugithi tour. Na Bunny Saroni no aranjĩtie na kwandĩka ndũmĩrĩri ĩno akiuga nĩma complete tour ya Samidoh. The tour has now come to its end. Akiuga back to Boston safely, we thank God for keeping us safe. It was amazing 6 weeks tour full of fun and adventures. Thank you Aweroyo for keeping us on check. Samidoh, it was great working with you. You are such a vibe. All the best in UK and Dubai shows. Edday Nderitu, your husband has been in safe hands. See you in Dubai on the 17th. Yacht party. Tufunge hii kitu with some love emojis. Bunny Saroni akira Edday Nderitu ati her husband has been in safe hands for those 6 weeks that he has been on tour. He has been in safe hands. Ndakaigwe ena thina ona hanini. Na oho gũcoka akendithĩria Samidoh all the best as he proceeds to UK and Dubai, agĩthiĩ na mbere na Mugithi tour. Na Edday Nderitu took to Bunny Saroni's comment section na onake kũmũcokeria ngatho for taking care of her bae, her husband Samidoh, akiuga she is very very grateful. Na oho kwandĩkĩra Samidoh ciugo cia wendo akĩmwĩra she really misses him, all the mũciĩ nĩ maramũmiss, na agacoka akaumbũra ati they will be seeing each other in Dubai na akamwĩta honey. Edday Nderitu shared this akiuga, Bunny Saroni, thanks so much girl for taking care of my hubby. You are such an amazing soul. Thanks to God the tour was successful. Can't wait to see him. We really miss him. See you in Dubai on 17th Han, with a love emoji. Wow, ũndũ ũrĩa ũrakenereirwo mũno nĩ mafans ake kuona atĩ Edday Nderitu had been quiet all this time, ona nginya rĩrĩa Karen Nyamu na Bunny Saroni mokanagĩrĩra, and although it ended up being clout, Edday Nderitu held her peace. No rĩu she has finally spoken na kuga she really misses Samidoh na she can't wait to see him, na in fact arakorwo akiumbũra ati they will be seeing each other in Dubai on 17th, kuonania Edday will be traveling to Dubai to meet up with Samidoh, as Samidoh will be having another Mugithi event in Dubai. Na mafans nĩ marakorirwo magĩtugĩria Edday Nderitu mũno for her maturity and also for her sweet message to Samidoh, na oho gũkorwo agĩcokeria Bunny Saroni ngatho for taking care of Samidoh while he was away in USA, na oho kwendithĩria Edday a wonderful time as she travels to Dubai gũkĩonana na mwendwa wake Samidoh.